Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I show you how to change language in AiHouse. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first come to setting. Okay, next you come to global setting. Okay, your mouse scroll down. As you can see here, there's a language here. Okay, so let's say I go change to Chinese. Press OK. So once you confirm, you press this one leave. It will refresh your web browser. Okay, once complete, okay, you can come back to this one. Okay, so if you've forgotten which language, you come to this one, the bottom last third icon, press this one, setting. Okay, come back to the fourth one. Okay, mouse scroll down all the way. As you can see, the last one here, this one, choose back English, and then you press this blue button and press leave. Okay, there you go. Okay, so remember hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.